forget meatball, we make our own chewy, bouncy beef ball instead. No ice cube, no baking powder. Beef ball is resilient, but meatball, up, there you go. Beef ball is more bouncier. Let's squeeze. Beef ball is more stronger. Yes, let's start cooking.
Hang on. Before that, a little story. When I was young, Dad took me to a stall by this cinema. Beside that cinema stood a huge rain tree. Under that tree, an old couple sold beef noodle soup on bicycle food cart. His beef noodles were unique because it has an oval shape instead of the round ball shape that you get nowadays. The old man would meticulously count 5 pieces of beef balls per scoop with his non-stop mumbling wife doing the dishes. Today, the cinema is no longer there. Torn down to make way for Wisma Tunfuat Steven building and for the highway. All that remain is the rain tree. Just like the old man without baking powder or ice cubes, our recipe goes like this. 250 grams of beef, preferably without fats. Half a teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken stock, 2 tablespoons tapioca flour, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice wine, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Mix everything together. Grind them into paste with your food processor. Now we knead it. Use mixer hook, knead for 5 minutes or more. Kneading will help to break down the protein, giving it a bouncier texture. There you go. It is ready to be cooked. Wet your hand with water. This will prevent the paste from sticking. Grasp some beef paste on your left hand. Shape the paste into a ball. Use the spoon to scoop the ball. Takes a little practice, but eventually you will get the hang of it. Or you can use 2 hands to roll the balls. Drop the balls into warm water. The water must not be boiling. Keep at low heat. Let it simmer slowly without bubbles. When the beef ball starts to float, scoop out. Let the beef balls cool down in cold water. Our beef balls are ready. Look at how bouncy they are. Check out our curry noodle soup recipe where these yummy balls are the heroes.
Thanks for watching.